Let's go calling on a Minneapolis company that has proved Mark Twain was wrong. Everybody talks about the weather, but this firm really does something about it. As a matter of fact, it was in Mark Twain's own day, back in 1885, that an inventor named A.M. Butts first got the idea of putting together a regulator to control the operation of a furnace automatically, turning up the heat when the temperature dipped, turning it down when the mercury device, that first thermostat, but it filled a very real need. Eventually, it led to this compact model with a delicate thermometer that maintains constant and careful regulation day and night, and even generating its own electricity to ignite the fuel in case of power failure. Assembly of the chronotherms, as the clock thermostats are now called, is performed by the skilled hands of women who put together the more than 400 parts that go into one small unit. A pioneer in the employment of women, Honeywell has found them more dexterous and more patient, much better suited than men for this sort of precision work. A good thing for the nation in the growing manpower pinch. Build as if you were buying, and it's a principle that helps to account for Honeywell's preeminence in the field. Now we're in the room where the finished chronotherms are calibrated to a fraction of a degree. In this room, temperature and humidity are probably more carefully controlled than anywhere else on Earth. Elsewhere in the plant are assembled the automatic gas valves that will start and stop the flow of gas to the furnace in response to signals from the chronotherm. There's only one way to make sure the valves are perfect. That's by flowing gas through them to see if they turn on and off, as they'll have to for many long years to come. But heat regulators are only a part of the job being done by Honeywell, for in addition to its important production for the American home, office, and factory, this is another firm with tremendously important defense orders. Combustion controls for the automatic pilots used in precision bombing are just one example of the wide military application of Honeywell products like the Mercury switch. So the efforts of the men and women of this industry not only keep the American home comfortable and pleasant, but help to keep it safe as well. As the chronotherm on the wall guards against the elements, so does the industrial might of the nation guard against those who would destroy us.